Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on your headphones JLAB GOWORK. So firstly, we should remove them from the phone. And after we do this, these headphones enter to pairing mode. And we need this. So, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click at the forget this device button or forget device or unpair or remove or something else. And forget device. Okay, we remove them, and now these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, and we know it by the LED light, what blinking red and blue. You can also enter to pairing mode if you turn off your headphones by pressing hold power button near to the LED light and turn on them. Again, keep holding until the LED lights start blinking red and blue. So after you enter pairing mode, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down until your LED light turn off. So press and hold. Here we go. We just turn off them. Now we need to turn on them, but the problem, as you can see, I press and hold power button, but nothing happens. I don't know, is it only with these headphones or generally these headphones have this problem? So the solution is to connect them to the power, so you can use USB-C to USB-A cable to charge it from PC, or from USB-C and adapter, or USB-C to USB-C. So we just connect it to the power. Now we have this LED light, we can remove them from the power, and then now we can turn on it. So yes, and these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. You will see them at the device list, but if you have Android, you need to click pair device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, or just go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset this, so we enter to pairing mode automatically, we see them as the device list, you need to tap on them, and we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!